Hi, my name is Jacob Pavlich here at Russ Darrow Kia of Waukesha. I am the Assistant Service Manager. Today I am here to talk to you about your engine and cabin air filters, what they do and what it takes to replace them. So your engine air filter, this is a part, one of the engine air filters from our parts department. What this does is it filters out the air that goes into the engine of the vehicle. Once this gets clogged up, discolored, it stops providing proper airflow and restricts that, so you stop getting the proper miles per gallon for your vehicle. Basically, your engine starts suffocating. With that being said, this is wise to change roughly every 15,000 miles or so, or when it becomes dirty. Depends on how you drive. This is your cabin air filters. Some look a little bit different. The cabin air filter filters out the air that comes into the vehicle for you. The dirtier this gets, the dirtier the air you're breathing in the vehicle. With that being said, this is also variable. On those really heavy allergen days, they'll get dirty faster. If you travel down like dirt roads and such, also will get dirty faster. You really want to make sure these get changed in a timely fashion. That way you breathe the best air that you can. With that being said, if you ever want to have these replaced or checked, feel free to set up an appointment with us. Our phone number here is 262-547-1300. We'll be glad to help you out and have these changed for you. That way you and your vehicle are breathing the best air possible. Thank you, and I hope you all have a great day.